Good afternoon from Orlando.
It is a good afternoon. We've had a bit of a chilled morning. We've had some bits and bobs, some, you know, life worky poos, as Brogan likes to call
worky poos. We did some worky poos. We did some laundry. We've done about 70 loads of laundry because the washing machines kept marking our white t-shirts.
Yeah.
So anyway, we've come up with a solution. We've put them in the laundry bag. They've come out clean, but we haven't tumble dried them again. Hence, you can see random t-shirts behind us.
But we now know if we're going to wash any like cream white type tops, then we've got to have a different solution.
Be careful.
That's all right. We're sorted.
Anyway, besides the point, we've done some laundry. We're gonna go spend a couple hours in Animal Kingdom.
We are.
Got me little Lion King tea on. Harrison's got Goofy.
Don't know why.
Yeah, you can.
Just kind of a neutral
chill vibes.
vibes. Yeah.
That's what I just called it.
Don't tell her I wanted to. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like 2 now, so we've gone till it's closer to 6. So we're just gonna go spend a couple hours, like go get some lunch because we haven't ate. We've only had snacks this morning.
Not good.
No, it's not good. I mean, we've had like food, like, but not a meal. Do you know what I mean?
Enough. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm just gonna go get the bus over Animal Kingdom, spend some time there, and then I think we're gonna go Disney Springs later. So come for a chill day in Walt Disney World with us. You wouldn't believe it, but it's actually chucked it down all morning. Not like Orlando Storm. Oh my goodness.
It's just wind and leaves.
I thought it was about 70 lizards. I've just been attacked by 70 lizards. So then which way do we need to go, Harrison?
You what?
Oh, maybe down that path there. Yeah, so it's been chucking it down all morning, hasn't it?
Yeah, there's a little golf cart.
Golf court?
Golf cart.
We're actually heading to Music's bus stop just for fun.
We're super close, so...
We're going to give it a go.
Yeah.
Made it to the bus stop. And the bus is pulling in.
No worries.
For the rest of your days. Somehow managed to get that on camera. We've got a lovely cast member driving the bus who is from London, but Harrison says he can't be friends with them because
he's an Arsenal fan, I'm a Tottenham fan, so...
But anyway, this car...
He's a nice guy.
Yeah, lovely cast member. This car's just in front of the bus.
Yeah.
People should be checking their mirrors.
Behind the one behind.
People should check their mirrors. I've just watched the footage back as well. You literally can't even tell the brakes are slamming on. That's how good the gimbal is on this camera. Yeah, you hear the beat, right? But what happened here was Harrison, like, is next to the barrier. I've just literally yeeted into Harrison, like. But the gimbal showed just a honking, so don't worry about it, everyone.
We're all good.
Good music.
I gotta say, I do like that tree.
Yeah, it's cool. Here, Harrison, do you think any of the animal enclosures are going to have like decorations in?
Well,
that would be cool.
I'd like to think so because
we decorate
like celebrate Christmas too.
We decorate our tortoise's house. Like he likes his Christmas lights put up. Do you know what I mean?
And the cats have Christmas toys and stuff.
So and Cot has Christmas jumpers. So who knows?
Yeah, you should. You know what I mean? Bit of tinsel around a giraffe neck. You know what I mean? Get them festive.
First up, we found some ducks. Are they just swans?
Straight in with the immersive experience.
Straight in. I'm thirsty. Hydration is key. Oh, there's some more ducks coming, Harrison.
I find it's really obviously with it being like a rainforest vibe, the trees it's always muggy in here. You know what I mean?
Made it back to the tree of life.
That is a big tree.
It is big. You always forget, like, it's like massive. Like,
you know, I was saying to Brian, you know what would have been really cool? They had a few little baubles or a bit of tinsel on that tree. That would be.
But they have like Animal Kingdom themed Disney Christmas songs.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You hear it in the background.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think the first port of call is when you get some din-din.
We definitely do.
Let's find some foodie poos. What did you just ask, Harrison?
Is that just a sound, or are there some ravenous beasts that are going to come and get me? But they sound hungrier than I am.
Ravenous beast is coming for
I'm
you.
hungry, but they sound very hungry.
I think they'll eat you. They'd eat you first.
Me? Yeah, I got more meat.
You got more muscle, probably. I was going to say.
Stop flirting with me.
I was trying to be nice. It looks so cool, and the best part is the 2 rides are like 20 and 25 minute waits, which is like really good because normally they can get really busy. So we're going to get dinner and go ride them, we think.
Yeah, we'll definitely ride them both, yeah.
I was just saying it's like quieter.
It is, yeah.
We've boycotted Pandora for a second because their quick service / vegan option didn't sound great. So we've come to Dinoland because we think there's going to be some sort of burger for us.
Spicy burger.
Harrison's been having a look on the little app. There was pizza back there, but we're planning on going to Blaze Pizza for tea, so we kind of don't want pizza.
And then the other one was the flame grill was like tofu burnt ends, and I was like,
yeah, the one in Pandora was like just blocks of tofu as well.
Yeah, it's like a tofu salad. And that's like
some tofu's not great.
No.
Like, oh,
but
sorry.
this one, it's the good thing.
Harrison could have ate anywhere, but I will see it.
But the good
it's
thing
me,
about this is
I'm the problem.
all the burgers they do here are Beyond Burgers, and they're always so good.
Yeah, isn't that Impossible Burgers?
Impossible Burgers, sorry.
Yeah, we like the Impossible Burgers. That's
good.
fine. We've got our burger. It's like a spicy Impossible. It said chipotle sauce. I did read that.
It did say chipotle sauce.
Fries. We've got so many sauces. Mayo, barbecue, ranch, honey mustard.
I like mustard. Dunno, but I like
honey mustard's good.
So, yeah, I'll try
honey mustard's good. I used to get that from TGI's.
Okay.
Sprite.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Who's ready?
Go on then, Harrison.
Big lump of lettuce. Oh yeah.
Bit of. Nice.
Cheese is good.
Cheese is good. Oh yeah, it's like a special.
Cheese is like the spicy bit.
Something
as well.
Jack.
Yeah, there's like
Yeah,
Jack.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of a kick to it, but not like
yesterday.
No, definitely.
Okay,
Like yesterday.
I'll be alright then.
Yeah.
It's hard to see, but all the little snow designs on the window,
That's a T-Rex.
a little dinosaur, is like,
cool.
is so cool. Such a mood. And the Christmas songs are popping off.
Yeah, the Christmas songs are good. Potentially some of the best Christmas songs because they're like they've got classics in here and then out and about. It's like a Animal Jungle like remix of everything. So it's like getting the best of both worlds.
Right, dinner is had. Off to Pandora now to get on the ride. Still necking our Sprite here. It's really good. Nice and icy.
I'll be honest, I'm very excited because I love Avatar. Already planning a little trip towards the new one, which will be out when we get back. Never done the Avatar rides. We're starting off with the river journey purely because we've just had a big lunch and I don't want to go.
No, like double the amount of time it was
Yeah,
on before,
and plus I don't want to fly around in a banshee after I've just eaten a burger, so.
And I've got a big confession.
Yeah.
I don't actually like Avatar.
Well, I think that's putting it mildly. I've heard the word hate, all sorts.
I've never managed to get through the first film without falling asleep, and I don't fall asleep easy.
No, so this should be good though. Right.
I've heard it's really cool, so I'm like glad to do it.
It's very cool. Right, let's go and get on the Navi River. We are still firmly in Pandora. We've just come off the Navi River. Visually, it was beautiful.
It looked really cool.
It was. Obviously we've never been. I thought there might have been a bit more storytelling. It was a nice chillaxed ride, but
yeah, a good rest.
yeah, I enjoyed it, but not something I'd necessarily like sprint back to. However,
Passage is
30 minutes. We're gonna go on Flight of Passage.
Yeah, that was literally 20.
20 minutes. So this might be 10. Right, let's go and ride a Banshee. I'm excited for this one. Someone told me it's like a super more energetic version of soaring. That's how it was described to me. It's nice doing the rides this time because you get to see like it's like the behind or the back of Pandora. Just keeps getting better now.
Yeah.
We've obviously never done it before, but we've literally walked like non-stop up until this point where we're going inside. So I mean it could be jam-packed in here, but I feel like that's a pretty good sign walking this far into it. Let's have a look. We're literally still walking. We haven't stopped once. Very long queue line. It's going even further on there. We haven't had to queue for anything once yet. Still moving. No queue yet. Gotta say, as queue lines go, this one has been really cool. Obviously we've been lucky we've not had to queue a lot, but there is a lot to look at if you did need to queue. But we are literally full steam ahead. We have not stopped. Oh, still going. We are leaving Pandora.
Pandora.
We have conquered both of these rides
Yeah.
in a very short amount of time.
Yeah.
Very short.
In like an hour.
In an hour. Done probably the two busiest rides here.
Yeah,
probably.
Apart from the safari.
Apart from the safari.
But,
Loved them.
Flight of Passage, really good.
Yeah, I really liked it.
I was really scared going on, I can't lie.
Yeah. Once you're on, you're fine.
Yeah, I was scared that I was going to get like motion sickness. Because after Guardians yesterday,
I did
felt
say.
like really like I felt like dizzy after Guardians. That's never happened before. Like I've
No.
never get motion sickness. So I think like I was just a bit anxious because
And it
I
was
was like,
like
oh my
dark,
goodness,
and it was like obviously it was new, we'd never been in, so you don't know what to expect.
But it was
either,
good. No, I enjoyed it.
I
I was
preferred
fine once I was
the sword.
flying. Yeah, it was really good. I got soaked. Harrison didn't get wet at all.
I was right in the end of the aisle, so I don't know if I was just like outside the
Harrison
line on
kept
the
looking.
water.
He said he kept looking at me, and like my glasses were just like a sheet of water. Like
I got a little bit of a splash.
no, I was drenched. Like my face when it came off was
Yeah.
like I'd been in the shower.
Not me. But we don't know what we're gonna do now.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at wait times and we'll
then-
get back to you.
We got a reindeer. Anyway, we're gonna go to Expedition Everest.
Harrison's gonna give it a go for the first ever time.
5-minute wait. I'm gonna go on and pre-check it for Brogan.
I don't think it's gonna be a good.
Who knows? It always looks quite aggressive from where we've stood and watched it before. So obviously this is not an attraction, but it's just very nice to see the birds balancing.
Look at them.
They're so like bottom heavy, but they're balancing like really well. Yeah.
They've got long legs.
Long beaks, long legs. Yeah. I couldn't balance on that too. Here we go. Flying solo. 5 minutes. Again, I've never done this ride, so I don't know like how big or small the queue line normally is, but actually, if it's a 5-minute wait time, pretty sure I'll be alright on it.
I've just had confirmation Harrison is getting on, so now we're just going to wait and see if we can see him. He says he's 4 from the back on the left side, so he is the far side, so we won't see him on the way up, but maybe on the way down. That wasn't Harrison. Saw him. He's back.
I loved it.
He loved it.
Yeah.
We saw him, he waved.
It was good fun. It was good fun. You get a little bit wet at the end, a little bit of a water feature, trickle.
What's with all these water features today?
Yeah, it was cool. The speed was cool. I liked it. I said it rhymed a bit like Big Thunder, but
Not Big Thunder.
not Big Thunder.
Not as fun.
Yeah, like
Jokes.
No, nothing's as good as Big Thunder. Yeah, we like this one. Need a little Christmas now. Wee.
Shame I didn't get a report of that
No.
one. That would be another treat for everyone.
Simba again. It's a beautiful evening in All Star Movies. The sun has set. Brogan's doing promo, and we're on our way to Disney Springs for a pizza. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Lights. We've arrived at Disney Springs. Oh yeah, I remember being here last time. There's whatever that is, Panera, whatever it is. I don't know. I think we might have timed something. Anyways, we have arrived. We were going to go to Blaze Pizza. Brogan's full of a crock there. But I think something's about to happen. Woo! Yeah, it's snowing! Yeah! And it is snow! Nothing like dinner and a show. Is this a slight hint at our next Disney trip? Disney Destiny?
I haven't booked a cruise, but should we go on a cruise?
We
next
should.
year?
I feel like that's a sign. It wants us to go on the Disney Destiny. Yeah. Watch this space. The pizza has arrived.
New.
Look at that. Happy days. Pineapple, mozzarella, barbecue base. That's how we do it.
Don't come at us.
We're also waiting on a refund because we got charged for two
Yeah, we got
pizzas.
charged for 2 pizzas. Me and Harrison were like, it should have only been like $12 or something. And
25
it
didn't
was
sound right.
And we were like, we did the same thing at the time because, you know, we're polite.
Yeah,
we're British.
yeah. Then we sat down. They're like, that's not right. So
Just come back.
let's dig in.
To make me toast, but no.
We've just finished our tea.
We just finished tea, but we went and looked
All I
at
can see is
Gideon's.
your forehead. There we go.
We walked past Gideon's, but the queue's like 7 miles long. We're like, is it really that good? Slash, we can't really bother to stand a queue that long.
Nah, I've queued a lot today. Not even that much really.
Do you know what
Queues
I
have been
mean?
really
Like-
good. So, but
We've
well,
got snacks back at the hotel room. I'm not like fussed, we don't get a dessert.
I'm just filming this because the air balloon's going up. I don't think we'll get Brogan on that. Nah.
Not after that one crashed in Bedford the other week.
Yeah, that's true. Well, they saved it, so you know. And so the shopping begins.
We're in Disney style.
We've come into Disney style. Unfortunately, we've come into a very pink section. Beware, this could be dangerous. You are?
Oh, the back to Walt Disney World on a pink, it's really cool.
Oh. Would you like to see it?
Nah, it's alright. I'll
No.
look into it.
Go for it. Let me
I
guess.
think it's quite garish.
I think it's going to say
Have you already seen
Florida 500 on the back.
You've already seen it.
I've seen it from outside. Yeah, I'd already seen it. I like it though. It's cool. Sorry. I should just pretend I hadn't seen it. We know so many of you love Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah,
I don't know why it's at such a high angle.
Harrison's just kicking off at the camera.
All I wanted to show was the dungarees. Brogan loves dungarees.
Look at these.
Yeah,
they're
they're
so cool. I love I have
All of it looks
ones
nice.
of these.
Yeah.
I feel like these are the new versions of the ones that I have already.
Yeah, they're nice. I do like the Tigger Crocs. We are going to give World of Disney another go. Hopefully it's a little bit quieter. Disney Springs itself is quieter.
It's busy but quieter.
Quieter. We've just been into Uniqlo. You know we love a Disney tee from Uniqlo, but we normally pay like £5-6.
We went, when we were in London last, they were all on sale. And like the t-shirts there, like were $20, but we literally paid like nothing when they were on the sale.
Yeah.
When we're in London the other week, so
We're not paying that
we're
price
glad
here.
we didn't wait till we got here.
Yeah.
We saved some sweet cash.
To spend in World of Disney. Here we go. Gotta say the decorations in the Disney store at Christmas, it is on point. The theming is really good. Lights, everything, everywhere. Yeah, it is awesome. How perfect. We are heading back to the bus, getting ready to leave Disney Springs, and the snow is falling again. I've swallowed quite a lot of that. Update. We're going home. Thanks.
I know you just told them the snow would be like.
But what we've learned from being here the other day is, for where we need to go, we've got to walk all the way down, all the way
State
around.
a budget resort.
Yeah,
budget,
they give you
very
the
loosely.
budget route.
Yeah, the budget
So,
route.
we
Nothing,
got-
I wouldn't really say there's anything budget about it.
Nah, it's not really.
But you know,
But you know.
we're all in the Disney magic.
So we've got to get all the way round to the other side. At least you know where we're going to do.
Yeah,
So-
but like it's like when you get to these last bits, you either get like the stride or like your legs are like, oh, I'm tired.
Nah, my kneecaps will, they might fall out.
Like, you know what
So-
I mean? Like there should be like a travelator all the way around. You just hop
Should
off
be.
when it's
Yeah,
yours.
yeah, I'd like that.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Maybe I should make an idea.
1 mile down, 24 to go. We'll be at the bus stop in a minute.
Which bus will we get on either? We don't know music.
Whichever
or
one's there first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, catch up with you tomorrow by the time we get there. Updates. They obviously change around every day because we've only had to come to the second part of the bus station. But
We just walked, like, stopped in the other path and was like...
the
"Where's
board is
Then
pointing
there was
this
a
way.
cast member who was like, are you lost? We're like, yeah.
We went there the other day. They must
But
just
then
change
I
around.
asked, like, we just said 17.
Yeah,
Oh, that was 27.
yeah. Just down
I
here.
don't know. I honestly, I'm so confused.
So confused. Anyway, we know where we're going. We just gotta go up yonder.
It's late. So
Yeah. This is the look of two people who are ready for bed. They have showered. They are had their tea at Disney Springs, and they're ready for bed.
Yeah. We've had a very chill day today, which is good
Yeah,
when you
it's
have
been-
an It's not, I say chilled, we've still done like, I don't know how many steps we've done empty, I feel.
Oh well, put it this way: when we come out of Animal Kingdom, it was already 10,000, and we'd only been in the park for like
2 hours.
I was going to say 3 hours max. So we'd already like blown that out of the water. So even though it was like a quiet day, and we didn't really start like Disney until later on. It's still been a day.
Yeah, it has. I feel like we're saying
Yeah.
like we had like some weird things. We had Zooms when they feel like
Hours ago,
3 days ago, but they were
Yeah.
literally like 12:30.
which is crazy.
Mad, but
It's been good on the body because obviously, like, I feel like having like a tactical day like here and there is good. Like when you've got like a
Yeah.
longer stint, just to kind of not, go all out. Although someone's playing musical chairs next door.
Oh.
I think someone's just.
Well, it's like
oh.
20 to 10 now, so I was going to say it's like an early night, but it's not really.
Yeah.
We're just going to have some dessert.
Yeah. We're gonna.
Chocolate from home. There's some marvellous creations and Harrison.
I bought some random Milka.
Milka. You never eat this at home, so I don't know why.
It just looked good. So there we go. But it's been a good day. We've got an exciting one tomorrow. 2 parks coming up, which is going to be good fun.
Big day tomorrow.
So plenty of rest. We'll be good to go.
More Mickey here as well.
Yeah, he's always here.
He's always
Just
here.
watching, making sure we're doing right.
Oh, boy.
But for now, we're going to wrap it up, sleep, get ready for a big day tomorrow. So from us and Mickey, tatty
And Maisie.
bye. And Maisie. I'm blocking it. Tatty bye.
Wish for me.
Bye, Maisie.
Bye. Maisie's been to Florida more times than Harrison, probably.
No need to show off, is there? You know what I mean?
Maisie's travelled more
Bye,
than
Maisie.
you.
Bye. Bye, Maisie. Bye.
Right.
Tatty bye.
Tatty bye.
Good.